my channel where we talk about fashion and lifestyle. Today I'm here to share another hairstyles video. These hairstyles are super quick, super easy, really fun and can be done under 30 seconds or max 1 minute. And all you need is a few bobby pins and an elastic at max. You can do these hairstyles to cocktail parties, Christmas parties, and kitties, or any dressy event. You can create these hairstyles. Now whenever I do a hairstyle video, I usually get a lot of messages that can you do something for the shorter hair. So in this video I have made sure that whatever hairstyle I'm making on my hair, I have created a separate version for shorter hair as well, so that it's easy for everyone to recreate these hairstyles. So now without waiting any further, let's get started. That was all for today's super quick and super easy hairstyles video. I hope you guys liked it. Now these hairstyles can be done for little girls, teenagers, adults. These are for everyone. So do try them and let me know how you did with them and how you liked them. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed it already, please press the subscribe button and also give a thumbs up to this video. Share, write a comment which hairstyle you like the most or which one would you like to recreate. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is @lazyfashionhacks, where I keep putting fun updates and other styling videos. These days there is a 30-day challenge going on my Instagram feed, wherein every day I'm styling an outfit for you guys, and this will go on continuously for 1 month, which is 30 days. I've already put I guess 11 or 12 reels there, so make sure you go there and check it out and press the follow button on my Instagram handle as well. Now I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself, love yourself, stay safe, stay healthy and stay stylish, and Merry Christmas to all of you.